Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Welcome back to another video. Here you see the topics Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2010 uninstall did not complete successfully. When you need to uninstall this software, this error occurs. What to do after coming this error? So stay tuned, I will show you easily. First we will look at how this problem arises. Here you see Microsoft Office. I will right click on the software and try to uninstall. You see the error Microsoft Office Plus 2010 uninstall did not complete successfully. So we will uninstall it easily. I will show you. For that we will go to browser and right here Revo uninstaller. Here you see, and we will scroll down. Now download. The software has different packages of subscription and free also. If you want to get all features, you must need to subscription. Click upon the free download. From here, the software is downloading. After completing, we will go to the destination and run the software. The software is installed. All the software installed in the computer will show up inside the Revo uninstaller. I will uninstall only Microsoft Office. For that, select the software and uninstall. Click Yes, Continue, Advanced. All Microsoft Office files, wherever they are installed in the registry, we will shown here. Click Select All and delete. Again select all and delete. Uninstall the software successfully. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.